Oh my goodness! No more money in the loss. My money is short. Oh my God.
Nay? Nay?
Nakakanta na mo toyo ako, nangangalayo pa ako.
Ginay, kaya maabutit ako negro nga foreigner, tika nga Afrika.
Sana all.
Susundo nato niya ng airport, kaya bami maginulat, taada na.
O sige nak, sige, magsasandala ako. Nak, okay na tagsulot mo, say na ako.
Oo, Nay, mo pwede mo yun nasulot. Ikaw mausay kaya na nga adlaw. Wala mi nakatutuhay mo.
Salamat.
Nay, dali na, Nay, kaya bami maginulat nga to Pablo Armstrong.
Sige, ay natatawagong ko anin hido. Boboy ha. Boboy, upod ka. Tara na.
Nay, dali na, Nay, kaya ang oras.
Dili ka mo, ma'am. Dili mo. Okay, thank you.
A few moments later.
Kuya, pero pasahe. Darling,
How much?
3K.
Oh my goodness! No problem. I have much money because from the Africa is 4,000. Let's go, darling. Let's go.
Let's go.
My goodness. Oh my God, Carmen. Oh my goodness.
Anak, pagdali na ka mo kay magutom na.
So, oh my God, Carmen, your house is very far away. Oh my goodness. Let's go. Oh my God, Carmen, you're so beautiful.
Ay, pagkirin mo din, may keso doon.
Where's your house, Carmen?
This way.
Okay, let's go.
Tomorrow.
Nay, hanan, upod natin nga may tum.
Ato pa nang katurog pa anak. Amuton akon siring haiyo nga akon mga anak. Nga pag eskwela kamo mo upay ay kamo pagsubad ako na direk maara mag-enlist. Ito niyo subarahi ati nga nakasawan maitom. Portahan.
Nay, adin kape.
Sige didi anak ibutang. Salamat.
O, ginay na kami kapkaman yan na.
Amo nga ni gininulat na ako ito nimo maitong para mamerkado kya na papa husay kya na nga adlaw. O may kasabot ako niyan day. Ahay nan imo maitong day nga asawa.
Hadto pa nakaturog, Nay.
Meanwhile.
It's very cold in the Philippines. Oh my God. Oh, good morning.
Pablo kape.
Pablo, sit there.
Thank you, Carmen.
Yes. You wait, I will get coffee, darling.
Okay, thank you, darling. Thank you, Carmen. Money?
Yes.
No problem. Very much money. Oh, mother. 3,000, mother. 3,000.
Thank you.
Darling, there's your coffee.
Okay, thank you, darling. Carmen, you are shining today, ah.
Yeah, thank you. Darling, you buy lunch later?
Okay, Carmen. No problem. I'm much money. 5,000, Carmen. 5,000.
Thank you. Balik na to yung sura natin para na yung to. Dik yung manok, adin tricky yan. Kay aadi, papalat natin bugas na yan.
Carmen, I'm number one handsome in Africa.
Really?
Yes. My business in Africa, baka.
Oh my goodness, so you're so rich.
Yes.
May kasabot malakat ak.
Oh, sige, Nay.
Pablo, may I go out?
Okay, mother.
Do you want to see the house that me?
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Let's
I'm
go.
safe. Your house.
Pablo, this my house?
Oh, my, very cute.
Yeah.
Carmen, I will make your house soon. Big and beautiful.
Very good, darling.
A few moments later.
Carmen, let's get inside.
Okay.
Later.
Oh my goodness. No more money in the loss. My money is short. Oh my God. Carmen. Carmen, I will go back to Africa.
Why you go back early?
My worker needs salary.
Okay, no problem.
Carmen, I give you money.
Thank you.
This 3,000 transportation to go back Africa. You will get malita. I will go now.
Okay. Pablo, there's your maleta.
Thank you, Carmen. Thank you. Carmen, I go now.
Okay, be careful with my heart tablet.
Carmen, see you soon.
A few moments later.
Kadama mo itong kwarta day. Ay, nanigro.
Ito na kay maninid yung pati atawo.
Sayang, mura kaabot.